Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to make chicken shami kebab, and this recipe is really tasty and it's worth trying. So share it with your friends and family, and let's start. First you will need 1 cup of dal, and in the dal add 4 breast pieces of chicken. Add little water. And next you have to add masalas. Zira 1 tablespoon, garam masala 1 tablespoon, 2 onions, button chilies and 1 potato. Add them all in. Add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste and mix well. It will turn out something like this after a few minutes. Now in this add half tablespoon of haldi and 1 tablespoon of red chili powder. Salt according to your taste as much as you require. Now mix well. Now it will turn into something like this. Now mash them up. We have removed all of the black pepper from it, and the main factor of this recipe is to mash it, not to blend it. So using this you can mash the whole chicken, something like this. And now we're almost done, and it will turn out something like this. Now once it's done mashing, you can see the texture of it. Now the masala, you will need chicken masala 2 tablespoons, coriander and green chilies 2 tablespoons of chaat masala. Add it in. And also add 1 egg. Now mix them all well using your hands with gloves. Keep mixing until everything is dissolved properly. Now add salt according to your taste as much as you require. Now take some oil in your hand and spread it all over. And take a piece and start moving it in your palm like this. Now follow the steps as shown to make a kebab. You can make as many as you want. Once you're done, fry them in hot oil and flip it once it's done from one side. And our yummy recipe is ready to eat. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.